In this next topic, we got a new leaked picture of the Cybertruck interior, and this is good because if the Cybertruck interior, as shown in this picture, has ambient LED lighting, then that could potentially mean that the Model 3 Highland could also have ambient LED lighting as well. So let's take a look at it. Plus, some analysts are predicting how fast the production ramp is actually going up, basing upon how many vehicles they've seen on the road. So let's take a look at it. But if you're just joining in, my name is Dennis. I love talking about Tesla hacking, so definitely hit that subscribe if you're interested. Let's start here. Shout out to Elon Musk. He posted this on X. Just drove the production candidate Cybertruck at Giga Austin, Texas. I feel like he's driven these Cybertrucks more than once, but here we go again. And of course, we got this nice Elon smile right here in the middle that I guess he just was able to drive it, but still a badass vehicle no matter what. Can't wait to see this vehicle onto the roads and actually in production. We've got that Cybertruck delivery event invitations going out. So now you can be also invited to a Cybertruck delivery event. But here's a post from RJD Landscapes. We've got a nice blurry shot in front of Raising Cane's and also Chick-fil-A's in the background, but an interior shot, which we have not seen before. But this is interior shot of obviously a Cybertruck, and we've got nice crazy LED lighting all around the vehicle. We have not seen this before in any Tesla. We've heard of rumors that the Model 3 Highland will have interior LEDs, and we can basically put our stamp on it and say that the Model 3 will definitely have LED interior lighting if this Cybertruck has LED interior lighting. But really cool stuff. Hopefully we can be able to change the colors on it. Of course, right now it's in red, but it could be probably changed in a bunch of different colors as set by the individuals in the vehicle. But let me know what your thoughts on it. Another quick post regarding the Cybertruck. This was an interesting one I saw from Cybertruck Guy on X. Unit 640 and Unit 674 or 630 and 674 were built 1 week apart. That puts Tesla's rate of production at 45 units per week or 6 trucks a day. So interesting here because this is, of course, a big speculation, but this is, I guess, pulled together from what a number was written on one of the Tesla's Cybertrucks and then looking at it a little bit later and seeing what type of date range that was between the two. And this person is estimating that Tesla is already ramping production up at 45 units per week, which not bad. I guess initially it gives us some type of date range. I know there's a lot of people out there with some sort of order number, and I think that last we heard there's maybe 2 million Cybertruck orders in the queue, and so that is certainly going to take a while to get through that queue. But I mean, as long as Tesla can build them, people will most likely buy them. But really interesting stuff. Hopefully we should probably see Tesla Model 3 Highland with LED interior lighting as well. And most likely we'll see some sort of leak just like this one in the near future. But let me know what your thoughts on it. Let me know what you're thinking. We're going to jump into the live stream comments. But before we do that, this video is actually sponsored by my Patreon link. Down below in the description is the Patreon link. You support the channel, so definitely check it out if you're interested. But yeah, thanks for coming in, everybody. Thanks for supporting. I'm still ogling over these design renders from RIVIAN. Really cool stuff. Shout out to RIVIAN. Definitely go to X and give them a follow or give them a follow. We've got a red one here that I think if I were to rate all these, we've got the red one, the silver one, and of course the black one. I think silver definitely looks the best, at least in terms of these renders. And then black one. Because black one looks pretty, like, I guess if we were to try and relate this or try and put these in order of realistic, silver one looks the most realistic, then probably black, and then red in terms of actually being produced. It's something about the red one, it kind of throws me off. Maybe it's too like, I don't know what it is, but I think that's the order. Silver looks the best, then black, and then red. But let me know what your thoughts on that. So thanks for jumping in, everybody. Thanks for supporting. Thanks for hitting the like button, the comments, and the subscribes. definitely, if you're about to buy a Tesla or you just bought a Tesla, definitely check out our Tesla accessory discount codes down below in the description as well. We got 3D Mats USA for a premium floor mat for your Tesla. We got Vion for interior accessories. We got Jawa for the best interior accessories, and also MAGBAK as well. So thank you to everybody that's used our Tesla accessory codes in the past and in the future. But thanks for watching. Thanks for hitting the like button, the comments, and subscribes, and I'll see you guys in the next one. See ya.